Salina, Class 10, Chapter 15, Similarities. Sum number 16. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus and DPR and CBR are straight lines. Prove that DP into CR is equal to DC into PR. In triangle DPA and RPC, angle DPA is equal to angle RPC, vertically opposite angles, and angle DAP is equal to angle PCR, alternate angles of, because it is a rhombus, so lines are parallel. Hence both the triangles are similar by AA test of similarities. Hence sides are proportional. Therefore DP upon PR is equal to AD upon CR. But AD is equal to DC. Hence DP upon PR is equal to DC upon CR. AD is equal to DC since ABCD is a rhombus. Hence cross multiply DP into CR is equal to DC into PR. Sum number 17. Given FB is equal to FD and AE is perpendicular to FD and FC is perpendicular to AD. Prove that FB upon AD is equal to BC upon ED. Given, first what is given? FB is equal to FD. Hence angle FDB is equal to angle FBD, base angles of isosceles triangle. In triangle AED and FCB, first part, angle AED is equal to angle FCB, each 90 degree. Second part, angle ADE is equal to angle FBC from first. Hence both the angles are equal. Triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. Therefore sides are proportional. AD upon FB is equal to ED upon BC. Therefore FB upon AD is equal to BC upon ED. Hence proved. Sum number 18. In triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degree. QM is perpendicular to PR. Prove that PQ square is equal to PM square into PR square. Second part, QR square is equal to PR into MR, and PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. In triangle PQM and PQR, first part, angle PMQ is equal to angle PQR, both 90 degrees, and angle QPM is equal to angle RPQ, common angle. Therefore both the triangles, triangle PQM is similar to triangle PRQ by AA test of similarity. Hence sides are proportional. PQ upon PR is equal to PM upon PQ. Cross multiply, PQ square is equals to PM into PR. Second part, in triangle QMR, and PQR. First, this angle is 90 degree and this Q angle is 90 degree. So angle QMR is equal to angle PQR 90 degree, and angle R is common. So angle QRM is equal to angle QRP, common angle. Hence triangles are similar. Triangle QMR is similar to triangle PQR by AA test of similarity. Hence sides are proportional. Therefore QR upon PR is equal to MR upon RQ, implies cross multiply QR square equal to PR plus MR. Third part, adding the relation between 1 and 2, we get PQ square plus QR square equal to PM into PR plus PR into MR. In both the terms, PR is common. PR into PM plus MR. PM plus MR is equal to PR. PR into PR, PR square. Sum number 19. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and BD into AC. If BD is perpendicular to AC, first part, if CD is 10 cm and BD is 8 cm, find AD. Second part, if AC is 18 cm, AD is 6 cm, find BD. Third part, if AC is 9 cm, AB is 7 cm, find AD. First part, in triangle CBDB, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus 3 equal to 90 degree, because angle 2 is 90 degree. Same way, angle 3 plus 4 is also 90 degree. Adding 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus 3 equal to angle 3 plus 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Similarly, we can prove, and also angle 2 is equal to angle 5. Hence, triangle CDB is similar to BDA. Triangles are similar, so sides are in proportional. Therefore, CD upon BD is equal to BD upon AD. BD square is equals to AD into CD. BD 8 square is equals to AD into 10. AD is equals to 6.4 centimeter. Second part, also by similarity we have BD upon DA is equals to CD upon BD. Cross multiply, BD square is equals to DA into DA into CD. 6 into 18.6 equal to 72. BD equal to 8.5 centimeter. Third part, clearly triangle ADB is also similar to triangle ABC. Therefore, sides are proportional. AD upon AB is equals to AB upon AC. Cross multiply, AD is equals to AB into AB upon AC equal to 7 into 7 upon 9 equal to 49 upon 9 equal to 54 upon 9. Hence, AD equal to 54 upon 9 centimeter.